Hello, welcome to the following video of Basic Furniture. My name is Serge Girimbabazi.
Here with Habineza Michelle. We are both trainers at Rubengi Activate School.
In the first video, we prepared the pieces for our sideboard.
Let's proceed with production of joints and final assembly.
Let's enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, my name is Habimana Gabire Devota, a trainer at Rubengi Activate School. Today you have second session about how to make a sideboard. The objectives of this session is that at the end you will be able to mark well and produce correctly the joints for all pieces. The second one is that you will be able to smooth and to do assembly of all parts of sideboard. I request you to follow well and take some notes because you will need them in coming time. Now we are done with preparation of our materials. The following step is to mark where the joints will be and to mark also carpenter triangle. In marking, we will use folding ruler as well as square, and also we can use marking pens. You have to mark carpenter's triangle on both pieces, following their position, top, bottom, side, and middle side. After marking carpenter's triangle, you have to mark joints depending on kind of joint you selected. For us, we select biscuit joint and we are going to mark center of joint. After marking joints, the following step is production of joints. For us, we are going to do biscuit joints by using biscuit machine, and as the machine produces noise, that's why we will use also ear protection as PPE. As also we are working with a machine, we need to fix our pieces to prevent any movement. And of course, we will need protecting pieces to prevent any damage for our pieces or for our working material. You have first to fix material and then produce marked joints. The center of machine should fit with the center of joint market. After the production of joints, the following step is to check if the produced joints are well fit. So in checking or in doing tri-assembly, we have to use clamps for putting together all pieces. We need protecting pieces, and we need folding ruler to check if the diagonals are equal. As our joint is B-suite, then we have to use this B-suite to fill the gap. Put B-suite in holes you produced without glue and connect all parts together. Put clamps both sides to make it stable, and do not forget to put protecting pieces. After fixing all clamp and seeing that the joints are well produced, you have then to measure diagonal. If you find that diagonal are different, you have to adjust them until are all equal. Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.
goodbye.